Hey everyone, how's it going? In this video, I want to show you the best WebGIS tool that I've come across in all these years working in the field. This tool is called Felt. It's an amazing tool and I will demo it for you in this video, going over its main features and also how to connect and export your QGIS project to this platform and easily share with anyone right in the browser. So on the screen, you can see a default Felt project that comes with every account. And guys, there are so many possibilities right here. You can add markers, create routes, add or remove layers, text, links, all in your browser. But I will talk more about that later. Here is the official Felt website, felt.com, and you can explore, learn about its features and functions. Down below, there are also some ready-made maps examples to give you an idea of what you can create right here. And I will show you how to create your own account right now. Just click sign up right here, create an account. You can even sign up with Google. In my case, I already have an account, so I will just log in. I'll sign in with Google, and here's my account. As I mentioned before, there are some default projects to help you understand how the tool works. You can create a new project by clicking New Map. To demonstrate how the tool works, I will go to my QGIS project and export it to the platform. Let's do it. I have a few example layers here from a random project. There is a raster layer and a vector layer. I will go to Plugins, Manage and Install Plugins. In the All tab, I will search for Felt in the search bar, and I will add this plugin called Add to Felt. Just click on Install Plugin. Once installed, close the window and it will be available in the web menu. Go to Felt and sign in. Since I'm not logged in yet, I need to log in right now, so I'll click Login. It will automatically request authorization for QGIS to connect to your account. And now you can close this window and return to QGIS. Now go to Web again, click on Felt and you will be signed in. Click on Add to Felt. Give your project a name. I will call it Test and click Add to Felt. It's that simple, guys. It will automatically upload all the layers to the platform. And there you go. Now click on Open Map. As you can see, the layers are on your project on Felt, but still processing. Let me show you how it works. Notice that the layers from the QGIS project are now here. You can move these layers around, enable or disable them. For example, if I can't see the layers, I can just click on the three dots and choose Zoom to fit. You can turn layers on and off. I can also zoom in closer to this other layer as well. Notice that it's also adding that raster overlay. This means you can work with both raster and vector layers. As for the base map, you can change it by clicking right here. You can switch to satellite view and there are more options. You can click on this plus button and select monochromatic. There are several options to choose from and they all look pretty cool. And you can, like I said before, turn those layers on and off, edit them right here in Felt, change the colors of the lines, the style, opacity. Even here you can add labels, change symbology, and select colors or sizes based on a value from the attribute table. Anyway, it's really comprehensive when it comes to customization. And if you don't want to work in QGIS, you can do, in a certain extent, a lot of analysis directly right here on Felt. You can also add layers down here. You can upload layers like shapefile, TIFF, KML, and a lot more with this button right here. Besides, of course, you can add a pin. Just click here. You can name it here, marker, create routes. You can click here on the screen, and then you can see that the route is being created and it's following the directions of the streets. And you can change this for cars, bike, walking. Look how cool that is, guys. Also, with this marker, you can draw anything you want on the screen. And you can later on click to delete or edit this as you want. Reduce the opacity of any of these elements. Just notice that they are clickable. I can change the color here, increase the thickness, add layers right here from felt. For example, it offers buildings, grids, lakes, oceans, roads, and much more. You just gotta click right here, for instance, and it will automatically add it to your project. You can see right here that it's been added. Look how cool that is. And of course, you can directly add text here too. You can add polygons as well, which you can draw. You can add links, just click on link, and you can, for example, add felt.com. And drag it here, make it bigger, smaller, and put it wherever you like. You can do whatever you want, for real. It's really interactive. And of course, you can also share these maps. Just click on share and add collaborators. And you can select the privacy settings right here. Whether you want to allow anyone with the link to access, to view and comment, and edit, or if you want to make it private. This is a pretty neat feature. Then just copy the link and share with anyone. So guys, it's really cool, a really practical and easy tool so you can share, for instance, a project you have and the person doesn't have QGIS, but you want to show an interactive map. You can share your project on QGIS, post it on a link, and share it so they can view the project, the layers, and everything else. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and that's what I wanted to share with you today in this lesson. So that's all for now. See you next video.